Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. It's your host, Harlem, and I'd like to go through today's day on the stonk trade I took on the S&P 500. Just SPY. Yeah, your boy caught a fat one today. Let's get into this ish, man. So, I'm as they call it, I'm like a wealth owl. Meaning, I don't trade early times. I sleep, go to sleep at 4 a.m. Don't wake up till noon. You know what I'm saying? That's the type of ish I'm on. You know, as you know, I missed the first couple hours of the market. You know what I'm saying? Trading in China. But yeah, here's a very simple breakdown of what happened today. So I woke up, checked the market, and I seen we at 10 o'clock a.m. we already went down, right? Pushed a hard, nice move, closed very strong down, right? Boom. Next candle, pushed lower to came back up. Excuse my Sally. But it didn't come up that strong either. And it formed a very big gap right here, as you can see. Inefficiency right here, man. As you can see. Now, from this point on, I knew it was going lower. If the stonk, see right here, the stonk goes up into this area, this blue box right here, I'm in. You know what I'm saying? And you can't do nothing here. Yeah, this is a weak red candle or black candle. I trade with black. Because it is lunchtime, bro. All the wealth whales, all the Wall Streeters, you know, are eating at Shake Shack, downtown New York, you know, at this time. So no real money's in the market. So it doesn't move, man. That little move, okay, it doesn't scare no one. I was ready. I checked. And this mother yar took a nice big, I want to find a big one right here. Nice, came down here, came back into this order block right here, popped up. I knew this was a fake move. You could have got the pop up. I didn't want that. I wanted my original put move, right? Entered right in this candle right here, I swear. Went in this gap, entered. Now you can see there was my target then was this gap right here. I think I took it. Yeah, right here. This one right here, man. This wick. 50% level of this wick right here is where I took my profits. Just, you know, just something safe, man. Where is this wick? Yeah, right there. I got out, took that trade up, bought SPY puts for like, I bought 2 contracts, each $8, so $16. Turned it into $245.96. Bought it right. I probably bought it right here. I didn't buy the whole wick. I bought in the blue. My stop loss above this blue zone right here, and it went through this blue zone, and that's where I sold. $245.96 profit, man. Yeah, if you learned something, subscribe, man. I'm just trying to help. You know, I am the best Wall Streeter here in this community, man. Everyone else is bullshit. Wealth with Harlem's legit, bro. So make sure you're liking, subscribing, eating that sandwich, man, and join me on the next one, as tomorrow I will be live streaming here 9:30 a.m. I got a new strat. I got a strat. So stay tuned for that, man. But thank you. Yallah Shiklan Habibi. And would you look at that, man? Beautiful day in Miami. Holy shit. You can't beat this view. And you know, if you want that view, you better fucking come. You better come wanting it, man.